Hello, I'm Yuriseki, and in this video I'm going to use the business rule module for Drupal 8 to create a new entity after the web form submission. It is a Drupal 8 installation with business rule module and web form. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to create a new entity to be filled when we submit a new web form. So I'm going to go to content types, add content type, and I'm going to call it issue. Perform some configuration. Okay. And I'm going to keep it only with the body field. After that, I'm going to go to configuration, business rule. What you're going to do is to create a new variable to store the content that you're going to be saved. So I'm going to go to variables, add new variable, empty entity variable, continue, and let's call it issue content variable, and select the content type for contents and bundle issue. Okay, done. Then I'm going to create a new action to fill this variable. Add action, set values to entity variable, and select the target entity type to content and the bundle to issue. I'm gonna save it, and on this field are going to be present all variables that are contents and bundle issue. At this moment I have only one. One point that you need to pay attention is that we need to fill all mandatory fields for this content type. In this case, as it is content, we need to fill the title field. I'm gonna say new issue created, add, and also I want to fill the body field with some content. Let's say body. This is the body text. Add, and okay, we're done with this action. We need another action to save this variable on database. So I'm going to add a new action as save entity variable, continue, the same thing. I'm gonna select content, issue, save it, and select the issue variable. Okay, done. Now we need to create the rule, and the event that we're going to start this rule is going to be after insert a new entity, because I don't want to create a new issue every time I save or edit the content. So after insert, continue, web form submission. And what gonna trigger this action gonna be every time I submit a web form of bundle contact. I'm gonna save it. Alright, so I'm gonna add one action to fill the entity variables and the other one to save the entity variable. Okay, we are done. Now I'm gonna to create a new contact. Sorry, I'm gonna to submit a new contact. So I'm gonna go to web form, contact, and test contact. It will going to create a new issue content. Alright, so now when I go to content, sure it is a new content of bundle issue. Alright, it's working.